decades later building the track we wanted back then. Well, it looks like we can cut through here okay. And there's a nice little down ramp here. Good, good, good. Yeah, that looks like a doer. I think we can do it.
Come around.
And then come out here, hop back out, weave through Stonehenge here, and then of course, down here, we have sand. Everybody loves trials in sand. This will be fun. Okay, good. I'm happy. Comes now to the pinch point. This is where it gets rough. There we go.